In this video, I am going to explain a simple stock selection technique that can be used for doing day trading and swing trading. For a better understanding, first we look into some missed trading opportunities. This is the daily chart of Wipro. Here we can observe some good opportunities for taking long positions. One in the beginning of September 2021 and one more opportunity, the same support level in the beginning of October 2021. Recently on 8th October 2021, there is a breakout opportunity for day traders. At the time this screenshot was taken, the stock was trading around 671. The next day the stock gap up more than 3% and raised more than 8% and closed above 5%. This is the daily chart of Canara Bank. A triangle breakout happened after 27th September 2021 and the trend broke a previous resistance level which is becoming a support on 8th October 2021. This is the daily chart of Sun TV and look at this trending pattern. On 1st October there was a breakout opportunity for trading in futures and options, and this is the daily chart of Indian hotel stock, and look at this decent trend which is still moving higher. This is a great opportunity for swing trading. Now the question is it possible to predict these kinds of trending opportunities in advance, and that too using 5 minutes or 15 minute chart, so that the traders can take early entries, particularly those who are using 5 minute chart and 15 minute chart. It is very important to know the trending stocks in advance. The answer is yes. Now we'll see how. Now look at the 5 minute chart of Wipro on 8th October. From the open, the price steadily moving upward and broke the previous day's high. Of course, it's looked like an opportunity for taking a long position. By using the previous day high as a reference of breakout level, we can take an entry around 945. But the problem is, from that point, the trend may go down or it may go upward, or sometimes it may consolidate for days and weeks. Similarly, look at the 5 minute chart of Indian hotels on 20th September 2021. There was a sharp rise in the early trading hours, but taking entry was very risky in day trading, particularly for the retail traders, those who are trading in futures and options. Chasing a highly volatile trend may become a worst experience. So we can wait for the price to settle at a consolidation, then we can take entry. But again, the further direction of the trend was unknown. It may go down or the trend may continue, the bullish momentum may continue, or the trend may consolidate for hours or days or weeks sometimes. And particularly, no one can take risk in this kind of furious rally. Then how to know whether the bullish momentum in the stock will continue or not? Maybe one solution is we can apply some technical analysis in this 5 minute chart. But the problem is applying technical analysis lower time frame like a 5 minute chart or a 3 minute chart is not reliable. The reliability of 5 minute chart is very less. Also, instead of 5 minute chart, we can use 15 minute chart, which will give a better prediction. However, doing technical analysis on lower time frame alone cannot guarantee reliable results. However, simultaneously we can combine the technical analysis of a higher time frame, such as using 1 hour or daily chart, probably by checking the support levels in daily chart and overbought oversold conditions in hourly chart, and looking at the chart position in daily levels. Maybe by using this we can make a better prediction. Then only it is possible to locate these kind of trends in advance. For example, in this Wipro chart on 8th October 2020, when the stock is rallying in the morning, when you are doing technical analysis on the 5 minute chart or 15 minute chart, at the same time, if we do some price action analysis or technical analysis in this daily chart, and if we come to know that the stock is trading at a important support level, then probably we can take a better decision. Similarly, in this daily chart of Indian hotel, there is a highly bullish momentum beginning in this level. If it is possible to predict this kind of trending in advance, then definitely this will be a great opportunity for short-term traders. Now, I'm going to introduce a rule-based strategy to combine price action and technical indications. For that, I'm using multiple indicators and multiple time frames. The indicators used in this strategy are a 2-period RSI and a 14-period RSI, stochastics, volume chart, and the 20-period simple moving average of volume. Now we'll see the procedures for adding indicators using Zero the Kite platform. We are going to add the first indicator, volume indicator. So for that, click on studies, then in the search box type volume. The volume chart option will appear in the drop down list. Click on volume chart. Now we can see volume chart added to the bottom panel. Now we can add the next indicator, the moving average of volume. So it's a 20 period moving average. So we have to change the period 50 to 20. Then importantly, change the field to volume. Then click done. Now we can see the 20 period simple moving average of volume chart is added over the volume chart itself. Next indicator is RSI. RSI has been added. Now we can add stochastics. Type stochastics. You can see the stochastics option in the drop down list. It has been added in a separate panel. Then one more indicator, then another 2 period RSI. Now we have to change the settings to change the 14 period to 2 period. Also, if you want, we can change the color for overbought and oversold. Now we can see successfully we have added all the indicators, the 2 period RSI, stochastics, then 14 period RSI, volume, and the 20 period simple moving average of volume. Now we are going to apply the conditions of rules and the daily chart of Indian hotels. The first condition is the 1 day ago level of 2 period RSI should be less than 30. This helps to locate a small price correction of a trending stock. Here if you see, there is a small correction happened in the previous day of 20th September 2021. The second condition is the stochastic value should be less than 80 and greater than 20. The second condition confirms that the stock is not trading on overbought or oversold zone. We can find several stocks that are satisfying these conditions. From that we can choose few stocks which are more promising in terms of fundamentals, such as the latest financial results or any positive corporate activities like that. After choosing a list of stocks, we can take the Harley chart and apply these conditions. Now we have taken the Harley chart of Indian Hotel on 20th September 2021. At the time 9:15 a.m., the values of stochastic should be less than 80, and the 1 hour RSI, the 14 period RSI is also less than 80, and the 1 hour fast line of stochastics is greater than the 1 hour slow stochastics line. These conditions ensure that the stock is not trading at the hourly overbought zone. The third conditions confirm that there is a trend reversal happening in Harley chart. Now, having verified the daily and Harley conditions, we can switch to 15-minute chart. Now we switch to 15-minute chart. Here we are going to apply 4 types of conditions. First is a set of 3 conditions using stochastics. Similarly, we have set of another 3 conditions using RSI. Then one more condition is for checking the volume status, and finally a condition using price action for confirming the momentum. In the first set of conditions, we have stochastics of current candle should be greater than stochastics of previous candle. Then stochastics of previous candle should be greater than stochastics of previous 2 candles. The third condition is stochastics of current candle should be greater than the maximum stochastics value of previous 10 candles. These 3 conditions on stochastics is to confirm the bullish momentum in the stochastics, and these conditions are applied on two 15 minutes candle that is starting from 9:15 to 9:30 and 9:30 to 9:45. Similarly, on the same candles, we are going to apply the conditions of RSI. The first condition is RSI of current candle should be greater than the RSI of previous candle. The second condition on RSI is RSI of previous candle should be greater than RSI of previous two candles. Then the RSI of current candle should be greater than the maximum RSI value of previous 10 candles. Similar to stochastics, here also by using RSI, we are checking the bullish momentum, and also if we look at the chart, here we can see the convergence between the candle price action in the candle and price action of stochastics as well as the price action of RSI. Similarly, the conditions for volume is volume of the current candle should be greater than the 20 period simple moving average volume multiplied by 3. There is 3 times of the 20 period simple moving average of volume. That means there should be a significant rise in the volume. So when you have both a rate of change in price and as well as a high rate of change in volume, that will confirm a bullish momentum. And one more final condition using price action is the body size of the current candle should be greater than its upper and lower shadows. That means there is no pullback in the price action, so the bullish momentum is very strong. Again, switch to the hourly chart for deciding entry, stop loss and target levels. The entries can be made anywhere above the open price and below the high price of the current hourly candle. That covers the both 15-minute candles that we used before. If there is any reference such as previous swing high, that can be used to draw a support, and entry can be made at that support level. Stop loss should be placed below the low price of the current hourly candle. The target can be previous swing high, or the systematic traders can use the 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Now, what is the percentage of success of this strategy? Definitely not 100%, because it depends on the market conditions. Practically, there is no magic formula to predict the trend with 100% of accuracy, particularly for day trading and short-term trading. However, the rate of success of this strategy will be at least double the rate of failure entries. So on an average, one can make a good profit. Use this strategy when the overall market is bullish or trading in a broad range, but do not try at a highly bearish market. Our strategies are back tested and a high level of accuracy is verified by using professional trading software. However, it is advised to verify the fundamentals and news on the stock in which we are trading. If you like the content of this video, please do subscribe and click the bell button. Thanks for watching.